Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called MindGrasp. You can learn faster with this tool. It is world's #1 artificial intelligence learning assistant, as they claim. So MindGrasp instantly creates accurate notes. It summarizes flashcards, quizzes, and answer questions from any document, PDF, YouTube video, Zoom meeting, webinar recording, podcast, and much more. So if you have a long lecture video and you didn't attend that session, you can upload that video to MindGrasp and it will answer the questions based on what was told in that video. It could be any research document, and from there it can provide you summarize, answer questions, and even help you answer your assignments and project. So this is your learning assistant, and it has been trusted by students from across the universities. So I'll show you how it works.
We all get overwhelmed. Don't freak out. MindGrasp can help. Upload any link or file, even video, and MindGrasp will read or watch it for you. Get notes, summaries, and answers to your questions. Upload PDFs, article and website links, Word documents, PowerPoints and images, even video files, audio files.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.